Hey everyone, today I'm going to answer a common question. Can you order from Temu using cash on delivery? Stick around till the end to find out if this payment option is available and what alternatives you can use. So let's get started. So here's the short answer. No, Temu does not allow cash on delivery. Instead, you will need to pay for your order at checkout using one of their accepted payment methods. And if you're wondering why Temu does not offer cash on delivery, it is all about keeping things smooth and secure. Temu has designed its payment system to ensure a safe and efficient shopping experience for everyone. By keeping cash handling, they speed up deliveries and reduce potential risk for both buyers and delivery personnel. And now, if you're wondering, how can you pay? So, Temu offers several convenient options like credit or debit card and digital wallets such as PayPal. And these methods are easy to use and align with the goal of making online shopping seamless. The Steamus approach ensure a hassle-free and safe process from start to finish. Now with that cleared up, happy shopping. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.